So hello friends and welcome to Anka classes. So previous year's question discussion, trigonometry chapter, 5 marks, session number 10. Okay, so question din hai kainu yengasi ko. So the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point A on the ground is 30 degree. On moving a distance of 20 meter towards the foot of the tower to a point B, the angle of elevation increases to 60 degree. Find the height of the tower and the distance of the tower from point A. Okay. So man haisi kaino haiba matamda tower ama lay tower ji jaga amadagi yenghatpa matamda 30 degree ne. Adagi sidagi amuk jaga amada amuk changjalle 20 meters towards the tower. Tower on the meter kun amuk changjalle changjanba matamda amuk yenghalakpa matamda magi angle of elevation ji 60 degree oire ye. Find the height of the tower to get awangba and distance from the tower to point A. Okay, ado itadi ekoina si question ji yekthoga. Let's try and understand. So si question ji ekoina understand tawnaba ana diagram ama yekpirasi ko question ji nak haisi kaino na. So mana hairamiba tower ji sigijine lawrasi ko. This is a very famous tower of Tokyo. Haisi tower angang je power tower Eiffel Tower, Leaning Tower, and laidana adumina sisu the tower of Tokyo hai power tower. Okay, anyways, question dina hairamiba tower ji sigijine assume tower. Okay, so question is from a point A. Let's say this is the point A. Point A is the tower gi maton ji yenghalakpa. Tower gi maton ji yenghalakpa da kai hai. The angle of elevation is 30 degree. So on moving a distance of 20 meter towards the foot of the tower to a point B. Point B is the changjale. Masagi yenga mi se changjalakosi kamno point A dagi 20 meter changjala. Okay, changjala aga sigi point B sidagi amuk yenghalakko matam sidayida magi angle of elevation g kya to hai 60 degree da change to A. Okay, now adu question jina hangi tower ji magi height si kya oigani. Okay, and A dagi B boba tower ji boba gi distance kaya oigani. Okay, so sige jini question jina hangi. Okay, now see question ji solve tawnaba ekoina proper diagram ama yekpirasi. Okay, so this is the diagram. Okay, now diagram jida ekoina CD jina tower jine lobirasi. Okay, so let us assume that CD is the tower. Point A se le raha sida yenghalakpada 30 degree elevation le raha. Point B hoba 20 meter changjala and we have 60 degree elevation. Okay, now see question just solve tawada ekoina B dagi C bobasi X ne na assume tawani. Okay, and then we can solve. Okay, ado ita di ekoi solution jida haurasi. Before that, let us clean up our space. Or space kita clean up toksi. So ekoi solution ji haurasi ko solution. Okay, so hambada ekoina tower ji karine and hairasi ga natra. Let CD represent the height of the tower. Natra. Now, sidagidi ekoina kai haibiare we have. Okay, distance hamada between the initial and final position. Natra hana lairambadudagi another position bobada kawarani AB. AB is nothing but 20 meter. Very good. Mathang the angle DAC. Sige kya tarani 30 degree. Mathang the angle DBC is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Now, sidagi akoy na solution G start towards. So data ji ithoba matungda akoina solution ji start tawsi. So ahambada akoina right angle triangle ani ji identify tawsi akoina sizinnagadoreba. Ahambada DAC haibam lere, mathangda DBC haibam lere. Okay, so this is 60 degree, this is 30 degree. Okay, right triangle ani is there is a common side amayawi. Common side si karino haibam matamda common side si DC ni. Okay, adu itadi right triangle anisi sizinaraga. Okay, common side sida puthoga angkasi proceed tosi. So mathangda akoina let BC is equal to x na. Yare ko. Adu itadi now akoina hamba right triangle jilaw si in right triangle DAC. DAC is the tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular CD by base. Base is AC. Yani ko. Ado itadi. Akoina CD is tan 30 degree or AC into tan of 30 degree. So we have CD is equal to AC is no AB plus BC. Okay, and 1030 AB resi. Now CD is equal to AB is kya likh raha hai? Question है 20 PB ram hai, BC is कोई x ने ला रहा है, and 1030 is 1 by root 3 since AB ram ho, then 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3 है. Recall, otherwise the CD is equal to 20 plus x upon root 3. So we'll call this equation 1. Recall. Sige chap mana na akoina mathangi right triangle je amuk lawrasi. Similarly, in right triangle DBC, tan of 60 degree is equal to DC by BC. Okay, similarly DC or CD and higher. Okay, CD and CD is equal to BC into tan of 60 degree. Okay, so CD is equal to BC is equal to x then laura, tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. So since tan of 60 degree is equal to square root of 3, we'll call this equation 2. Now equation 1 and 2 is equal to observe the both of them represents CD. Animax CD the right hand side aniji equate toba yare. Sini aina common side ama puthoga what C has. So from equation 1 and 2, 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2 the equation kai hai 20 plus x upon root 3 is equal to x root 3 and hai. Okay. Now let us continue the solution. So 20 plus x is equal to x root 3 into root 3. The cross multiply over C. So we have 20 plus x is equal to 3x. Root 3 into root 3 the 3x. Okay. So C is 3x minus x is equal to 20 tare. Nadra. See confusing. Oi bitarazu aina left hand side ka right hand side ka se phala on dokuni. C is 3x is equal to 20 plus x haibu ka tamana idana. Adu ita x is ona kana porokpani. Okay. Adu ita 3x minus x is nothing but 2x. 2x is equal to 20 lera. Implies that x is equal to 20 upon 2. Nadra. Adu ita the x ki value se kya tara? X is equal to 10. Okay. Now x is equal to 10. Substituting x is equal to 10 in equation 1. Equation 1 is the equation 2 in substitute. Okay. So substituting x is equal to 10 in equation 2. Okay. So the CD is equal to root 3x and the Natra. CD is equal to root 3 into 10. But root 3 is 1.732 and lows. Okay. Into 10. Otherwise, we have 17.32 meter. Okay. Adai matang da CD ki value phange, x ki value phange. Natra. Adagi AC je on puthose. AC je kya tarani adu tarne. Or height of the tower di kya tare CD tarmu ta sidhe. Therefore, the height of the tower is equal to 17.32 meter. Natra. Adai matang da and the distance of distance second part distance of the tower from point A. So distance of the tower from point A. Okay. Point A the gi point A the gi C book so it is AB plus BC. So which is equal to AB plus BC. AB is 20 and BC is nothing but x. Adu ita di 20 plus x value kya phangre 10 phangre. Adu ita di 10 absolutely and we have 30 meter. Okay. So sumaina solve tawguni sigi questions. Very simple question. See question is 2022 the 5 marks ki hangibo question ni ko. Okay. So thank you for joining Anka classes. We will meet again.